In this video we are talking about if Fantom is going to zero or if we see new all-time highs from this zone. Let's go straight into it. As you can see, Fantom is on the place 66 of all crypto coins with 20 cents and the market cap is about $560 million. So there's very much potential to the upside, and the Fantom coin has very much potential in my opinion. The project is very good, but the technical analysis shows really interesting things as well. As you can see, we are here in the weekly chart, and as you can see, we see here a very large upside move from this demand zone we are getting on later. As you can see, the top was at $3.47. That was when the Bitcoin was on the all-time high in 2021. Then we saw a correction about this level here and come back nearly to the all-time highs, but we didn't see a new all-time high. And then we saw this large correction over here, which was exactly about from the top to the down 93%. So as you can see, this is a very good place to buy because we are very low in the chart, and at the moment Bitcoin is also not in a bull run. Bitcoin is now at $26,000, so there's a very high chance if Bitcoin makes a bull run again that also Fantom is going to explode. So we look at this demand zone, which is very interesting because our move started around here at this demand zone. In the last video I also explained demand and supply zones, so please check it out if you want to see it. And as you can see, we moved back all the way from the all-time highs to this demand zone back and found support over here. Then we moved to the upside a bit, but followed our bearish trend over here, right deeper into this demand zone, and made an explosive move right from this zone over here. Exactly from the down to the upside it were about 300%. Then we moved back to this zone and that's where we are now. And as you can see, we have an order block here where the move started. And as you can see, we had a wick here, so we took the liquidity from this order block and we didn't push down here with a body close. That's very important. If we see a body close over these levels here, it's very likely that we see a bearish trend and that Fantom will go much lower. But if we see a bullish reaction over here and have like a body close with this weekly candle over here or with the next candle over here, it's very likely that we see a bullish continuation. Especially if Bitcoin is also going up, then it's a very high chance that we also see an up move here. So I bought some Fantom right over here for my HODL portfolio, and I show you where I would take profits. If you believe in Fantom as a project, I would hold it from now on to the next all-time highs if the bull market started. But if you want to take some profits, I would firstly go in this area here. If we don't see a bullish close over this area right here, then I would take some profits. If we go from this zone over here to this zone, I would also look if we see some body closes over here, if we see a bullish reaction, or if we see a bearish reaction over here and the price continues to go lower. So the really interesting thing about Fantom is that when we move from this zone all the way to the all-time high would cause an 16x. And that's just the last all-time high. If Bitcoin makes new all-time highs, it's very likely that we see much more profits on Fantom. So I bought some Fantom right over here at 20 cents for my HODL portfolio. And in the future we will see how the price will evolve. If you want to see more videos of Fantom, then please leave a like and write a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next one.